Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below. And press the bell icon for latest notification for out latest videos. These days, people can visit the internet and see a variety of different methods that can be used for the problem of hair loss and slow hair growth. However, most of the websites that are supposedly giving tips and tricks for people to learn how to grow hair faster, basically sell one product or another. Therefore, companies that deal with creams for massaging the scalp will talk about the importance of massage, and companies that deal with diet supplement pills will talk about the crucial importance of following a correct dietary pattern accompanied by the intake of the complementary pills they want to sell. Although there are many different chemical cures that have been introduced for people who want to learn how to grow hair faster, it is always better to turn to natural ways to grow hair faster. There have been many people who have tried different chemical methods to try to grow hair at a faster rate, however very few of them have been able to see positive results by following such methods. Most people who have tried experimenting with such products without consulting a specialist have had serious problems with hair and scalp loss, so experts suggest that people should always consult them before starting. The application or consumption of products that claim to rapidly give hair growth. There are many different processes known to work well to increase hair growth, however which process will be suitable for which individual is something that only experts can suggest. Since each person has a different type of scalp, each person requires different treatment and methods to grow hair at a faster rate. Those who try to take supplemental pills and buy the cream from each and every company to speed up the hair growth process without consulting a specialist, often end up having all kinds of rashes and eventually have significant hair loss due to use of incorrect chemicals that react on one's scalp. To learn how to grow hair faster, it's always best to consult a specialist and have your scalp and hair texture checked so the expert can suggest the best possible combination of scalp creams and dietary patterns that can help people grow their hair. Hair at a faster rate. It is often suggested that people who want to grow their hair at a faster rate and want to keep their hair strong should include spinach and beetroot and other iron-rich vegetables. Since each person's food intake and scalp care methods are different, each person may require the introduction of different methods that can help them learn how to grow hair faster. While some may need dietary changes, others should include regular scalp massage in their weekly routine based on the type of deficiency they may have. Therefore, the best and safest method to ensure that the correct method is identified to discover how to grow hair faster is to consult a specialist.